Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Strava. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.